Hey, I'm Paul. I've been trying to learn C, the computer programming language, and it's interesting, but it might, destroy my mind. Just trying to learn with books on my own, and so I was looking ahead, saying, if assuming I'm successful, what other languages would I try to learn? I quickly came to the conclusion that there's just too many fucking computer languages, and most of it's just like corporation bullshit. So you've got C. C can exist. It makes sense. It's a low-level, low-level access, kind of high-level syntax. At least that's the way it's described. Close to the middle. Everyone says that. I'm not really sure what the fuck that means at this point, but I think it just means you address things byte by byte if you want, that kind of thing. But then you've got languages that are built on top of C. There's C with object-oriented programming thrown on top. C++, common example. And at least that one's fairly general. And then you've got Java, which is, again, similar kind of thing, except it has its Java virtual machine, so that makes it a little bit different. But then you got Microsoft. It makes C#. And I mean, let's be real, it's just a bastard baby of Java and C++. But it's Microsoft proprietary, You want to work on Microsoft phones. I don't know what the fuck, who has a Microsoft phone, but anyway, Microsoft systems, you need C#. But then Objective-C, that's Apple's version. Yay! Now we have lots of different versions of the same idea. And I think it's a waste of time. So C++, Objective-C, C#, Java. I say get rid of all of them, just make one language. We'll write a law. So just one language for like the C-based with objective-oriented programming kind of thrown in classes thrown on top. Just one. So C can exist, the second category, one language like that can exist. Then another category that you should have only one language in my opinion is like the object-oriented / scripting languages. The Ruby, Perl, JavaScript. There's a bunch of them. Python. So again, Visual Basic, whatever, .NET. Get rid of all that shit. Get rid of all of them. Again, write a law. Only one allowed, and for being like an object-oriented scripting language. And so, on top of that, then I guess we'll have the, what would be? AI neural network, AI, artificial brain kind of languages, which I don't know anything about that shit at this point, but it's interesting, and so we'll see what happens. But again, eventually, only one of those two. There should be just one language for each kind, not this, especially with the C# and Objective-C and the Java and the C++. It's bullshit, there should just be one of them. Too many languages to learn, And then everything can be portable, everything can be good. That's right. Oh, I bought a hat. That's right. Summertime, so keep the sun off me, keep the UV light off me. That's right.